Hello people, and we're back to another video. Yes, my voice is a bit bad, but just leave that stuff in. Let's just get into the video. I'm just watching this video and I'll try to do something. So, let's see the video.
How to make a lanbourgini sound with cans. You can use any can, but I prefer to use one of these big ones because they work better. The small ones, if you get small ones,
Blah.
vibration in between these two right here.
So you have to squeeze a can, like really squeeze it hard, like this, and you'll get like that can, and you can make some.
How it makes sound. And yeah. So bend it.
It should be really
test it out.
squeezed. I mean, bend
And
it.
don't bend it that much because you're gonna get holes on the edges. Mine has a little hole on the edge, but it doesn't matter. But if you get big holes, it is gonna matter, and it's not gonna work. Yeah. So on the but if it doesn't work for yours, you like bend it back and forth from the middle, bend it back and forth, and so it sounds right. Keep testing it out until it sounds right. You make two sounds to make the lanbourgini sound. You could go or those two sounds you can make. So I'm gonna test it out first right now for you guys. The first one I'm gonna make is Oh, and you can grab it from wherever you want. But it needs to sound good. I just grab it from right here, so I won't mess up. I grab it from right here, so I won't mess up the vibrations. I don't grab it from right here or right here, any of these sides. I grab it from the bottom, so it can sound good.
Sounds good, but
Right here, the bottom.
it sounds like it. Now that's really a sound of Lamborghini.
That was second sound. I'm not that good at it right now. Like I barely started, but I have a lot of these. It's pretty fun. Just keep practicing so you get better and better and better at it. Right now I'm not that good. Like I said, I barely started making like 1 week ago, and I have a lot. It's pretty fun. You can go outside every day.
Yes. Let's see this one. I think this is the best. Because the other two, he did well, but he didn't do that well, but this kid, he's the best.
Hi, this is Alexis
Okay.
from Argentina. This time I will explain to you how to do a V10 sound with a backhand.
Not actually a beer can, but just like pop, soda can or like that. Any can, but it should be a can.
The things you'll need are a soda or a beer can, your voice, your tongue. Preparing our backhand. Pick up an empty, small or big beer can and take away the metallic opener. Then, just make yourself an imaginary line by the middle of the can and just press it down the middle. Make sure to not damage the can in any way but this. Any other damage could cause the can to not vibrate properly. Of your voice sound and to reproduce the exhaust sound effect. In order to obtain them for this application,
First up, this is the sound.
Because we don't need to use it right now. Right now we have to focus on the hardest part. Hard but not impossible. Understanding V10's. As you can see, the V10 sound is a very complex signal. But to achieve a credible enough signal in low, mid and high, we can see that the low and mid
Let's
frequency.
just get to the part.
Now, we can incorporate our big can and complete the sound setup. Once you get all the things together,
What? What? No, dude, really. Every time I hear it, it sounds amazing. See? I'm no bad advocate, but this one, 5 stars. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time, and please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. and if this is the first video you've seen by me, then please subscribe. So see you next time. Bye.